Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious margarita using a convenient mix. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need your favorite margarita mix. A good quality tequila, either Blanco or Reposado, works wonderfully, and plenty of ice. Don't forget to chill your glasses beforehand, and if you like, rim them with a little salt for that classic touch. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect drink. Now let's talk about the perfect balance for your margarita. A widely recommended starting point is a ratio of 2 parts margarita mixed to 1 part tequila. For example, if you're making a single drink, you might use 4 ounces of mix and 2 ounces of tequila. Remember, this is your drink, so feel free to adjust these proportions to suit your personal preference for a stronger or milder flavor. Experiment a little to find your ideal blend. With your ingredients measured, it's time to bring them together. Pour your margarita mix, tequila, and a generous amount of ice into a cocktail shaker. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You want the mixture to be thoroughly chilled. Once shaken, strain your perfectly mixed margarita into your pre-chilled, salt-trimmed glass, ideally over some fresh ice to keep it cold. To complete your masterpiece, a simple garnish makes all the difference. A fresh lime wedge or wheel perched on the rim of your glass adds a touch of elegance and a burst of citrus aroma. For an extra layer of flavor, a small splash of fresh lime juice can brighten up the entire drink. Now, your homemade margarita is ready. Serve it immediately and savor the refreshing taste you've just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.